As you can see, this name substitution was able to occur because the application was actually queried, and it is actually showing right here clearly that this application has been queried. Ensure you resolved all query issues before submitting. If you need to change or substitute your business or company name, use name substitution instead. And if you check the query here, I've been told to do what? To do a name substitution for the NGO registration, which is something that I'll be proceeding with. And this thing is not actually possible without it being queried. So if your registration is not queried, there's no way you can do a name of substitution, right? There's no way you can do a name of substitution. So this is where the error occurred, which is just a letter. So when we get another instance of a name substitution, we'll let you know. So what we just have to do is proceed to payment. And one thing you need to know about this name substitution is that since this is an NGO, it might be required of me to do the newspaper publication again, and and some other documentation that are needed for the NGO registration, such as the trustee declaration, especially where the names of the church is showing, such as the minutes of meeting, the trustee declaration, the newspaper publication, and I think that's all. So that's how name substitution works for an NGO. So when we get another instance for company, or another instance for any other entity, we will let you know. But as for now, this is for an NGO, and I pray you not make this kind of mistake that this person made in this registration, so that you won't fall into like a lot of expenses. All right, thank you.